Well, welcome to Bridge Lesson number 5 at the Crosley Bridge Club. And if you'll recall that last week we spoke about the opening of one minor. Now you recall way back in week 1, way back, is that we opened one no trump with 15 to 17 points. The book, when we normally teach beginners, a lot of them play 16 to 18. But because we like to bid more and open one no trump, which is nobody can compete with you at the 1 level anymore, 15 to 17 is what people play these days. Open 2 no trump with 20 to 21 points. Open a 5-card major, great, with 12 to 21 points, or maybe longer. And if you have something in between 15 to 17 and 20 to 21, is where you can always rebid 2 no trump with 18. So it opens a minor, and then you can go to 2 no trump on the rebid if your partner responds. So anyway, that's that part of it. And we talked about in our last lesson opening one of a minor. We don't have 15 to 17 points. Or we have an imbalanced hand with 15 to 17 points. We don't have a 5-card major. Therefore, we have to open a minor. We might have only 3 cards in the minor suit, clubs or diamonds. Or maybe we've got 4. And a lot of the times we will still have 5s. So we're just kind of a man or a woman of mystery, I guess, some of these times. So today, we're going to take a look at several things. But first, if you want to take a look at these lessons, I got all 4 of them posted now. So you can go to bridgehands.com/2015.html. And this will be posted in a day or 2. Okay, so we're looking at 2-level responses in a new suit. Now, we talked about when our partner opens one of a minor, and we have 6 points or more, we bid. If we've got less than 6, we pass. And when we respond at a new level, at the 1 level, it's only 6 points. But if our partner opens 1 diamond and we want to bid clubs, we can't bid 1 club because we have to bid up the line, clubs, diamonds, hearts, spades. So we'd have to bid 2 clubs. And if we're going to the 2 level, if we're going to be the first to commit to that 2 level, we should have 10 points or more. So if we don't have 10 points, our partner opens 1 diamond. Well, hey, if we've got a 4-card major, it's all about finding a 4-4 fit. So we'd want to bid 1 heart if we had 4 hearts. And if we don't have 4 hearts, then we can bid 1 spade, you'll recall. We talked about that last week. And if you don't have 4 hearts or 4 spades, but you've got 10 points or more and you've got clubs, fine. Go ahead and then bid 2 clubs. We'll talk about that a little bit more. We're also going to talk about overcalls. That is when the opponent, or say our right-hand opponent, makes a bid, let's say 1 diamond, and we want to get in the action. Maybe we've got 5 spades and 12 points, maybe even less than that, maybe 9 or 10 points, but a good 5-card suit. We don't want to overcall with a 4-card suit, but if we do, we can make a bid in a new suit. We like to compete, we'll find out. Doubles is when, well, we don't have a 5-card suit, doggone it, but we maybe have 10, 12, 13, 14, 17 points, whatever. We can make a double, which used to be in the original days for penalty, but then nowadays, if it's something beneath 2 spades, 3 spades, however high you want to go, as partner, you find a suit. I don't know which suit, but I've got values. You pick a suit. We'll talk about that. As well as preempts. These days, people love to preempt. They bid more with less. And we'll talk about that. So typical raises. Well, if remember, a partner opens 1 heart, 1 spade, they're showing 5 or more, 12 points to 21 points, including distribution. So let's say they go 1 spade, and our partner, after it's 1 spade, we bid 2 spades. Well, we have a fit. Our partner has 5, we have 3 or more. And what are the points? The points are 6 to 9 points. Okay, we don't have a lot of points. We've maybe got a king and a couple queens, maybe something like that. So we would just say 2 spades. We'd suggest to our partner, we just as soon sign off, unless our partner's got 19 to 21 points or 17 or 18, something like that. We're suggesting they stop. We're requesting sign off. Conversely, if it goes 1 spade and we jump to 3 spades, now we've got like 10 to 12 points, maybe a couple aces and a king. That would be 4, 8, another 3 is 11. Now we would invite game by saying 3 spades. All right, and similarly, and we'd have to have 3 spades or more. Yes, right. Maybe they open 1 heart, and we go 2 hearts. We have 3 hearts. But if we don't, we can still bid the 1 spade suit. And it only takes 4 cards to go to the next suit up. Okay, and with no fit, it's like you suggest, we don't have 3, but we've got that 6 to 9 points. We go 1 no trump. Now the book says 6 to 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a pretty big range. I really prefer is that we have a range of 3 or maybe a range of 4. But sometimes they do these things for novices to make it where it's a little bit easier to remember. That's okay. So if we have no fit so far on something like 1 club, 1 diamond. You bid 1 club, I bid 1 diamond. Maybe we're still going to find a 4-card fit in the majors. I probably have 5 diamonds if I'm not starting with my heart or my spade suit, if I did have 4 in that suit. But so far, no fit. Or you go 1 diamond and I go 1 heart. Maybe you have 4 hearts. We love to have a 4-4 fit in the majors. Or maybe you don't have 4 hearts, but you have 4 diamonds or more and 4 spades. Then you would just bid 1 spade. I still might have spades. Remember, we bid the 4-card majors up the line. Okay, so next. No fit so far. How about 1 club, 1 diamond, 1 club, 1 heart? We spoke about that. But with 18 points and looking for a major in a 4-4 fit might be. So ditto with a 2/1 response. Now that is just a shortcut way of saying is that you open at 1 of a suit and I bid 2 of a suit in a lower rank. So you go like 1 heart and I go 2 clubs. We don't have a fit so far, right? Okay, but it's a forcing bid, just like if it was you go 1 club and I go 1 diamond. That's a forcing bid. Responders' new suit bids are forcing unless they're a passed hand. So certainly in this situation, we would want to, you've got 12 or more and I've got 10 or more. Maybe I've got 20 points, who knows? But my bid is forcing. 1 heart, 2 diamonds, let's say. Okay, here's an example. 1 spade, 2 clubs, forcing. I probably have 5 or more clubs. And I don't think I have a spade fit with you so far. 1 heart, 2 diamonds. Well, we've got 22, 23 points or more, sure. 1 diamond. I don't have 4 hearts or 4 spades, or I would have went to that first. But I'm going 2 clubs, then I have 10 points or more. And if you think about it, with 22, 23 points or more, we should at least be able to make 2 no trumps. So you don't ever pass when your partner bids at the 2 level. Okay? Next. 1 spade, 2 hearts. Same kind of story. Okay? They couldn't go 1 heart because spades is a higher rank than hearts, so they have to come in at the 2 level, 10 points or more. This is the one time when you bid 2 of a major, that's a spade and then a heart, you're promising that you have 5 or more of that heart suit. Now, this situation, we probably have 5 or more, but it might be a 4-card suit. It wouldn't be ever a 3-card suit. But each of these, where you're rebidding, are we responding with a minor, you would have to have at least 4. But when it's 2 hearts, and I tell you, a lot of people with several hundred master points, they still haven't got this straight. So if you don't have it straight, don't worry about it. It's just something to have to refer back in your notes. Okay. Yes, please.
So if you're responding with 10 or more points in a minor suit at the 2 level.
Correct. Responding at 2 level in a minor suit.
5-card suit?
Don't have to have 5 in the minors.
Okay.
Let's say I've got...
But at least 4.
Yeah, let's say it goes 1 heart, 2 diamonds, and I've got 3 spades, so I can't bid a spade. And then I've got 4 and 2 other suits and 3. So I've got, let's say, a 4 triple 3. What am I going to do? I'm going to bid my diamond suit. What else can I bid with 10 points or more? I have to bid the 4-card diamond suit. Does that make sense? Mm-hmm. Okay, good. Okay, first hand. Our partner opens one spade, and here is our hand in south. How many points do we have? Start with our high card points. How many are you counting? 12. 4 for the ace. The king is another 3. The queen is another 2. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Queen, 11. And 12 high card points. Do you think this jack is worth a point? I don't like jack, doubleton, jack thirds, but it's our partner's bid suit. So I'll give it full values, especially in honor. I'm happy it's a jack. That's fine. So yeah, 12 points. So the opponent passes. Now it's up to you. What do you want to bid after our partner bids one spade?
Just out of curiosity, how do we know that jack is a spade?
Because we start with the highest ranking. I didn't really have enough room, but I should have a little spade symbol and then a heart symbol. Spades, hearts, diamonds, clubs. Thank you. And I did try to at least get the color right.
Yes,
Okay.
So we got a one spade. Okay.
One spade. Now what do we want to bid with this hand? 2 diamonds, yes. It's 4 cards or longer, and we have 10 points or more. So we're kind of hunting for no trump, and it looks to me, what would be the possible contract we'd be hunting for? 3 no trump. Yeah. I don't think, unless our partner rebids 2 spades or 3 spades or something like that, it looks to me like we're probably, from my standpoint, well, because if you want a game in diamonds, it's going to have to be 5 diamonds. Remember, to get a game, it either requires 3 no trump, which is 9 tricks, 4 hearts or 4 spades, which is 10 tricks, or 11 tricks to make 5 clubs or 5 diamonds, because it requires the 5 level. A book of 6 plus 5 is 11. Wow, that's a lot of tricks. I'd rather do 2 tricks less, 3 no trump. I mean, we don't know that we're going to be there, but I'm just saying so far, I'm kind of wondering if we're going to be in 3 no trump. Yes?
So the opener could have as few as 12 points?
It could be as few as 12, could be 19, 20, we don't know.
So if he had 12, and he gets this 2 diamond response,
Yes.
he's going to bid again something.
He has to bid. We're forcing partner to bid, even if it was at the 1 level.
He'll jump to 3 no trump. He wouldn't have enough information yet.
Probably wouldn't, but he knows that we have 10 points or more.
Right.
And he knows that our bid is forcing.
Right. But you're not focusing on what happens next in this particular example.
Yeah, correct. We don't know what's going on, just to kind of get the hang of what our response is. I will say, though, I think this king-queen 6 times is pretty good. I think it might have a distribution point or 2. Remember, anything longer than 4, we give it 1 distribution point here, 2 distributions, so it's maybe 12 plus 2. And if our partner has ace 3 times in diamonds, and we've got this, even if our partner's got jack 3 times, as long as we can stop a side suit twice, because they'll probably try to promote their suit before we try to promote ours. Anyway, let's try the next one. So, okay, partner opens 1 spade again, and here's our hand now. This time, oops, we missed our side suit queen, we missed our side suit ace. So our points are 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm not so sure about distribution points, because how are you going to get to this hand to try to promote this diamond suit? So what do you want to bid this time? 1 spade, and now it's your bid. The answer is, we got 6 points. Doesn't feel good to bid 1 no trump, does it? But that's the correct bid.
Really?
Yes, 1 no trump. Yeah, you just say, man, I should pass. Our partner has 19 to 21 points.
Well, but he could have 12.
Could, and if it has 12, fine. If he wants to pass 1 no trump, fine. Okay. Maybe we can set up that spade suit. Maybe this diamond suit will never set up.
Seriously bid 1 no trump? You don't have,
Seriously bid 1 no trump.
junk in
These suits. Where's the points, I ask you? Well, our partner's got 12, and we've got how many? 6. 18. How many does that leave for the opponents? There's 40 in a deck. 18 from 40 is 22. Why aren't they bidding?
Well, you would get 1 point for having a single too, right?
No, well, we normally count length points until we've found a fit. Unless, say, a no trump, you don't get points for shortness. It's a detriment. So until we've got a fit, don't get counting shortness points.
No, but I mean in order, like, if you needed 6 or 7 points, or say you had 5 and you needed 6, you could, if you had 5 and you could add the jack, would give you one more, right?
Yeah, could be. I mean, I'm glad that the jack, like I say, is in my partner's suit. That feels pretty good. I can knock out the opponent's queen or king, and maybe my partner's got ace, king, queen. I don't know. Could be. But I don't feel bad with the singleton honor in my partner's suit. However, I will say this is just me. If I didn't have this jack, I just had the king, queen, I'd probably still bid one no trump. Because with king, queen, that's a pretty good suit. They're touching honors. I'd rather that it's the king 6 times rather than a king here and a queen there. Stray honors in each suit. Anyway, that's just me. A good 5, I will go ahead and make a bid. Your book will always say 6 or more. Okay.
So in this example,
Yes.
So we get this opening of one spade, and this person passed, you said.
Correct. This person passes.
This person hasn't bid yet.
This person we don't know.
So hypothetically,
Yes.
so now
We bid one no trump.
one no trump. And now this person's sitting here with a bunch of points.
Yeah, 18 points.
He's going to bid in the 2 levels.
He probably will. Yes. Because if I've got a long suit and my partner's got a long suit, 5 spades, I've got a feeling he's got probably the rounded suits, hearts or clubs. Probably will come in.
Why wouldn't you say 2 diamonds?
Because if I said 2 diamonds, I'm promising 10 points or more. And that'd be a big, big lie because my partner says, oh, we're going to have a game because my partner's got 10 points or more and I've got 15 points and we're going to be in 3 no trump. And look at your hand like, where's your 10 points or more? I don't see them. Yeah, that's the first obligation is to show our strength and length. So it has to be one no trump. It kind of feels bad with a 6-3-3-1 shape, doesn't it? I don't really like it, but it's our only bid we have. And if partner, like I say, does have some extras, we'll wait and see. My partners will always bid 2 spades. That's what they're going to do. If I've got a singleton, I just can feel, and the opponents aren't bidding, they're going to bid 2 spades or 3 spades, and I'll just pass. Fine. Gave it a try. If they go 4 spades or 3 no trump, fine. At least we get a chance. You don't want to miss those games. 1 spade, again by our partner, and this is our hand. Now, another 6-3-3-1, but this time we don't have the king-queen. We've down to queen 9-7 6 times. What's your bid here? Pass. Hey, we've got it. Pass. No 6 points. Pass. Good for you. Okay, next one. 1 spade, and here's our hand this time. A 4-3-3 shape, by the way. What's your call here? It's a trick. Do we have a fit with partner in spades?
Yeah.
5 and 3. What are you going to bid?
2 spades.
2 spades, right. We have 6 to 9 points, don't we? So, just because we've talked about 2-over-1 bids or this or that, yeah, you want to find an 8-card fit and you've found it. You want to sign off by saying 2 spades. Remember 10 to 12 to invite game, and we don't have that kind of a hand. So, okay, you've got it. 2 spades it is.